What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are at our Orange County yard and we are getting ready to set this loader up to be sandblasted and painted. So I have our pressure washer in the bed of my pickup there. Rodrigo is about to start pressure washing this to get it clean for the sandblaster, but we are pulling these trucks out right now and parking them over here so we can leave this entire garage empty for the guy. He can work right in there. We're gonna pull the loader in, jack it up, pull the wheels off, and leave it right there for him. But we also have a new employee here who is driving this truck. This is my buddy Kevin. He is a mechanic and we hired him full-time, so you guys are going to be seeing him in the videos. And it is nice that we have an extra set of hands here to help us now. So while Rodrigo is doing that, me and him are going to get this garage all set up. All right guys, so we got all the trucks parked out here. If these guys from the village get their vacuum truck and their street sweeper out of here, we would have had enough room to park them all in a row, but we're completely out of the way here, so it doesn't really matter. But we just swept out the entire shop in here, so it's nice and clean now. The only downside is I don't have forks for our loader here to move this liquid tank, so I think it's gonna have to stay here. We'll just cover it. We'll cover all that stuff and we'll cover that compressor in the corner there. We have a plow here. I don't think that really matters, but we have a tarp in the bed of this truck we're gonna grab, spread it in here, and that's what we're gonna park the loader on when we jack it up. All right, so the entire shop is tarped and covered. This is a massive tarp, so it covered pretty much the entire thing. I believe this building is 60 by 40, so it's a very big tarp. But I need to grab a chain here because we are, oh, this is one. I wish there was a shorter one. This one, here we go. We are loading, not much shorter, but it'll work. We are loading a couple plows that we have over here. We store here for the summer. We are loading them in the back of this Chevy dump truck to bring down with us at the end of the day. Well, maybe not the end of the day. We might be out of here by lunchtime. As long as those wheels come off that loader easy. We haven't ever taken them off, so we don't know if they're gonna come off easy or not. But we have our dump truck here. I have this machine warmed up. I'll throw the chain on here. We need to load that plow and that plow in the bed here. All right, guys, so we got these 2 snow plows loaded up in here to go down to our shop. Right now we have this loader here. We are trying to get the lug nuts loose and the gun wasn't doing it, so we have a breaker bar here with a big pipe. So we're going one by one. We got probably 10 of them loose right now, but we're going to loosen them up and then pull the machine inside and use the gun to take them off once we get it jacked up in here.
Let's go.
All right, we got the machine completely blocked up. We got jack stands in the back, bunch of 6x6s in the front there, and this is how it is going to live for the next, hopefully only about a week or so. The sandblaster and painter is coming on Monday to start working on this. Today's Friday, so hopefully he will get this done quickly, but it is pretty neat seeing the machine up on blocks like this with these wheels off of them. It's not a sight that you see often at all. But tomorrow Rodrigo is coming here. We tried to take the bolts off of this bucket out here and they're not budging, so he's going to bring a torch up with him and torch all of these bolts off and then flip this bucket on its face for the guy to sandblast this and paint it as well. but we are just getting cleaned up and then we're heading down to our main shop. All right guys, so we got these two plows thrown on these trucks. We ran them and they both work perfectly fine as they should. The only thing we want to do is make two new hoses for this piston here. Those are not in great shape at all. So one day next week we'll make them. We have our own hose machine in the shop there, but we are hopping in my truck. We got to go return that pressure washer to my father's house and call it a day. That is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.